everyone, I'm Toshi, she's Harshita, and she's Jagriti. We are from Excel Public School, Mysore. Today, we are excited to present our eco-friendly project, mulchrooms, made from dry leaves for large farms and gardens.
Forest farmers and big garden space huge amount of dry leaves fall down every day. Usually they are burnt or thrown away. But burning creates air pollution and discarding them waste, a natural and valuable resource.
So we asked ourselves, instead of letting these leaves go to waste, why not turn them into something useful for farming? Farmers often face issues like soil drying quickly, weeds growing rapidly, and the needs of frequent irrigation, especially during hot months.
That's where our innovation comes in. We created mulch rolls, long, flexible rolls that cover the soil surface across large farm beds. These mulch rolls reduce water evaporation, keep the soil moist, and naturally suppress weed growth.
What makes them special is that they are fully natural. They are made using dried leaves, old cotton cloth, a natural binder, glycerin as a plasticizer, and a mild fungicide to prevent fungal growth.
Here's how we made it. First, dry leaves are collected, cleaned, and dried. They are shredded and mixed with the natural binder, fungicide, and glycerine.
Next, old cotton cloths are stitched into long pillows like tubes. The dried leaves mix is mixture is firmly stuffed inside these cubes. After filling them, the ends are stitched securely. The rolls are tightly formed and they are dried in the sun. Once they firm up, they become strong and flexible mulch rolls.
These rolls can be unrolled along long farm rows or around large garden beds.
Over time, the mulch rolls slowly decompose, enriching the soil with organic matter.
This makes not only practical for farmers but also an environmental friendly way to manage large quantities of dried leaves.
Shows the agriculture waste, when reused creatively, can become a valuable farming material.
I helped in research and documentation. We together made the mulch roll.